good morning, good noon, good afternoon mga kalma mater. Ayan, magtanim ay hindi biro. Thank you Lord, I am done. Ay, binuo ko. Ayan, tayo. Tapos na, so baba na tayo. Thank you Lord God. Your next break in Android, mobile, TV, laptop, printer. Ay God, thank you Lord God. You raise me up. Thank you Lord for everything. So, maglipit na tayo. Kakatapos lang ni Alma Mater malinis dito. Magbigay ng pagkain ng mga ibon at tubig na mainom dito. So, ikaw na nanonood, alam ko at alam mo kung nais nating marating ang success OFW Kuwait, in short, Middle East. Speak 5 lines to yourself according to my mentor. Speak 5 lines to yourself every day, Alma Abisya. Yes, ikaw ba yung taong I am the best? Yes, ikaw ba yung taong yes, I can do it? Yes, ikaw ba yung taong nagsasabi lagi, God is always with me? Yes, ikaw ba yung taong nagsasabing, I am a winner, today is my day?